Hey, 30-minute marketers, Gary Baker here with you. Today's quick video, I just want to take a look inside of GrooveFunnels and take a look at GrooveMember. It just was released yesterday. Today is August 30th. Yesterday, August 29th, 2020, GrooveMember was released. Of course, that's GrooveFunnels, link in the description for your free account. But if you have a free account, you're not going to have access to GrooveMember. Let's hop on the computer and let me show you what I'm talking about. So here we are inside of GrooveFunnels. Of course, this is the free account. You can see the upgrade button right there. If you go down to GrooveMember, you'll click and you'll see to unlock GrooveMember and funnels, you need to click upgrade to Pro. Again, this is August 30th, 2020. If you click upgrade to Pro, you can see right here all the awesome upgrades. When you click on that, you're going to find out some information that's very important if you're watching before September 1st. Because as of today, August 30th, 2020, you only have 1 day, 22 hours, 24 minutes, 17, 16, 15 seconds, depending on when you're watching this video. Again, if it's past September 1st, you've already missed this. But if not, you have the options right here to upgrade because price change is effective September 1st. So be aware of that. And now let's hop into GrooveFunnels and take a look at GrooveMember and what it is able to do as of today. Its release was the 28th of August 2020. Today is August 30th, 2020. And I made this quick video to show you inside. So let's do that right now. So here we are inside of GrooveFunnels. Again, link in the description. You can grab a free account, but to get GrooveMember, you will need to upgrade to Pro to get access to this, meaning you'll need the Platinum level that includes all the apps. And you can see this is the dashboard for GrooveMember. And if you go down here and you click on content, you can see that now you can create memberships. You can see a couple of memberships that I have right here. This one, we'll go ahead and edit that, and you can see what it looks like. When you go into edit, of course, this is just a test membership. I just added one chapter and one piece of content, which is a YouTube video. You can see here, you simply just set up the information to include a sales page. You just simply go save and next. You set up and you customize your instructors. Of course, you can create a new instructor and add an instructor there. Then once you do that, you'll do a save and next again. Here, you'll open up the builder. Now this builder is going to be the same type of interface that you see inside of Groovepages. But in this case, you're building a membership site. So you only have elements and categories. And of course, you can just drag and drop those right here. So if you want more elements, in this case, you could add another video. So if I wanted to add some text right here, I could just drop some text in right here. And then I could just simply edit that just like you do inside of Groovepages. Watch this video, put an enter there, and now you can see I've edited that interface, as well as you can add more categories right here by clicking this, add more chapters, simply clicking the plus button, and then you could add more chapters if you wanted to and add more modules. Go ahead and close that. And then you can see all you would do is save and exit. That's going to take you back to the wizard, and you're going to continue with comments. You can turn comments on or off right there, moderate those as well. Then you can click save and next. You're going to have access levels right here. Right now, the only level that I see was standard. Maybe you can change access levels. I haven't played with that. This is just a first look and a quick look inside. Also to let you know that if you want to play with GrooveMember, you will need to upgrade to Pro or to Platinum. And again, August 30th, the current deal ends September 1st and the price does go up. And you just continue, save and next. Don't send a welcome email, send a default welcome mail. I'll show you that email as well. It's currently what it looks like. Of course, all this will change as soon as GrooveMail comes out. You'll have more options and the ability to send from your own domain. Right now, you just have the ability to get the default welcome email. So you go ahead and save and next, and then you can see right here, congratulations. This is the link right here. You would simply just copy this link, and then you would open up a new tab. You would paste that in. That would be the registration page right there. That's what it currently looks like. Again, being able to modify this and other things is part of the beta access program. Even if you pay to get into Platinum, you're just paying to get future access, but you're still paying to be a backer of this beta program, which is GrooveFunnels. Then of course, if you want to log in, you would have your login screen right there. You can log in and you'll be able to see exactly what GrooveMember is going to look like. Again, with the basic options and the simple one chapter that I set up here. You have the text that I added right there, watch this video. Then of course there's the video right there. Then you have the ability, if you're working through, you could mark as complete. And that is the basic look inside of GrooveMember. Let me show you the welcome email and show you what that looks like. When we set it up, we did send a welcome email. So when someone registers, they will get a welcome email. And that welcome email will look like this. Currently, it just says welcome to Groove Members. And it's from GrooveSell, Info, Groove Digital. Again, all these options will be added, so you'll be able to make sure you can fully customize this. Welcome to GrooveMember. It has the email, the password, and then the URL, which is the domain. Now you do set up the subdomain for groovemembers.io.login. So if the subdomain you're trying to use is taken, you will have to modify that. I don't know if this will be changed in the future, but this is what it looks like currently. Again, inside of GrooveMember right there, inside of the membership details, and that's all inside of GrooveFunnels, which is currently Groovepages, GrooveSell, GrooveAffiliate, GrooveVideo, GrooveMember, and GrooveMail, which is supposed to be out August 31st. Of course, today is August 30th, so we'll wait and see what happens tomorrow. And of course, if it actually comes out tomorrow on time, which I'm expecting it to, I'll go ahead and make a video and show you inside of that as well. If this video was helpful, give me a thumbs up. 30-minute timer here on the end screen. Click that timer, subscribe to the channel for more awesome content just like the videos you see on the end screen. Click those, keep watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.